One of the confusing things about DNA for some folks is how to understand how it's organized and the relationship between a DNA molecule and a chromosome. So we're going to try to clarify that in this slide right here. So here's the double helix we just talked about, the twisted ladder in the previous slide. And it turns out that when it's sitting in a cell and the cell's not about to undergo cell division, it's kind of all over the place. But when the cell is about to undergo division, it's about to split in two, and it has to make twice the complement of the DNA, it has to get organized. And the way it gets organized is it wraps around these proteins called histones. Okay? So there's the DNA and the proteins that are in the nucleus called the chromatin. The proteins, more specifically, are called histones. All right? And they wrap nice and neatly. So you might have seen this X shape of a chromosome. This is actually one chromosome on one side. And then it's made a complete copy via something called replication, something we'll talk about in the next couple slides coming up. Okay? So this is a single duplicated chromosome, and it's actually one single long piece of DNA. So one DNA molecule equals one chromosome. So we got the chromatin that's inside, it's DNA and histones, and this is one duplicated chromosome about ready to split in half right here and undergo cell division. Important thing you need to know from this slide is that the histones are the proteins in the chromatin, and that one DNA molecule is simply one chromosome.